Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 1. This is Section 1.5, Problem 1. It says round 2,345 to the nearest 10. So first, let's identify which digit the 10 position is. So if we start from the far right, the first digit we come to is the 1 position. The next one over is the 10's position. So we want to round this number to the nearest 10. So what you want to do is look at the digit that is 1 position to the right. And if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can basically just turn it into a 0 and everything after it into a 0. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, what you want to do is now bump that 10 position up to the next digit and then put everything after it as a 0. So since we do have 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the 2 will stay, the 3 will stay, the 4 turns into a 5, and then everything after that turns into a 0. So rounded to the nearest 10, it is 2,350.